Sabah Air Bell 206 helicopter crashed upon takeoff from the field behind a hotel in Sibu today. The helicopter had earlier ferried officials from the Deputy Prime Minister's office. It was taking off when it tilted to its side and hit the ground. Witnesses said it was raining and there were strong winds when the incident occurred.
Kipas dia kuat. Dia angin datang dari sana. Dia ini macam goyang terus ting.
Ada orang dalam?
Satu orang saja.
Ya.
Itu dari Babylon punya.
The helicopter pilot was rushed to hospital and is said to be in critical condition.
Masa angin kuat.
Mau berangkat, angin kencang.
Orang menteri ya.
The helicopter had earlier ferried Deputy Prime Minister's Press Secretary Muhammad Hafiz Yatim and 2 bodyguards.